Welcome to part 3 of ROM hacking Ninja Gaiden free play ROMs. This is just a quick lesson or episode because it really should have been in the last episode also. So I'm just gonna do this one real quick. In the last episode, I showed you how to make sense of the Ninja Gaiden ROMs and how to split them into separate components. In this episode, I'm going to actually show you then once you want to edit your main file, how to split them back into the format that MAME wants, or that if you need to burn them to ROMs, that you need to split them into. So just like in the Gaiden merge.py script, I have a Gaiden split.py script. And it's basically the opposite of Gaiden merge. I read the big file, Gaiden merged, and then I create two other files named appropriately, and I'm going to write to these files. And for every byte in the length of how big Gaiden merged is, if the byte is even, I'm going to write it to the first file. If the byte is odd, I'm going to read it to the second file, and then I'm going to close it. And that will do the opposite of the splitting. That will merge them back together. So we're going to take our Gaiden. We showed you how to take the Gaiden Ninja Gaiden 2 files, make them to one big file so we can edit them. And then once we edit them, we're going to split them back so that we can run them in MAME. So just real quick to show you how to do that again. Remember that Ninja Gaiden is a what's the word I'm like? It's clone. It's called a clone, or a parent is Shadow W. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the Shadow W files, and then I need to go into the Shadow W file, grab Gaiden, cut it, paste it, and so if all it depends on how your ROMs are set up. If all the files needed are in this file, all you need is the Gaiden, but you need more than these 4 files. If not, then you have to have the Shadow W directory and a Gaiden directory. But you can also put them all in one file and zip it. When we're working on them, we don't want the zip file, so I'm actually going to change the name of the Shadow W that's 7-zip to shadow 7zip.dist, because by default MAME is going to actually take it from this archive, and we don't want that to happen. So anyway, now that we have everything set up, we're going to go to the Gaiden directory, and I'll show you again how to just split the files. And that was with, in this case now, the way I changed the directory structure a little bit, it's now dot dot back, or dot dot slash dot dot, means go back 2 directories, because my main script is actually in 2 directories back in just main 0172. But I'm currently in the ROMs directory, the Gaiden directory. So this means just go, when running a program, it says go back a directory, then go back another directory in your program that the program I'm gonna type here, Gaiden. In this case, we're gonna do Gaiden split. Oops, and I have to type Python and that. What? I'm sorry, I don't want to run Gaiden split. I want to run Gaiden merge. My bad. Okay, and that will create the Gaiden merge file. If I ever want to edit it, I will go ahead and open it up with whatever hex editor I use, change whatever bytes I need to change, save it, and then I will write, before running it in MAME again, before loading in MAME, I'm actually run dot dot slash Gaiden split, and that will then actually take this file and turn it back into its component files. So that's how we're going to edit things, and I just wanted to show you that real quick, in case you, because we're going to eventually need to do that. So thanks for watching.